Hello guys, welcome to Expecto Protonum YT. Today we will be seeing, as you see here guys, is the soil moisture detecting project which is sponsored by the Arduino. You can look up to Amazon for the links, and also is a very good project and is very helpful to the plants. Of course, we at times often we pour too much water or too less, because of course plants require a certain amount of water content. So here we go. So guys, this is the motor we have been talking. So this we can see overall is the overview of the circuit of this soil moisture sensing project. Now no code needed, there's no code really needed. So all you need is this power source. So you can see here the power source, you have to connect it to the USB. You just use a USB with this cable, which will automatically, but be careful where you insert it, might be little bad. Okay, now we are going to, this is the motor, this is the stand. Of course it's not really needed because you can use someone's support for really holding it, and the pipe. Of course you can see water flowing very smoothly in and out. And now here are the components, and this is the sensor. This is the sensor, the soil moisture content. Now this soil moisture content sensor will always talk about, will always see, so it will always pump the required amount of water into the soil depending on how much dry or wet it is. If it is not really needed at all, we don't say, well, my project's not working, what should I do? Well, son, father will say, well, son, there's too much, it's up to the right required amount of water content. So so perfectly the project's working fine. Father will say, well, son, there's too much, it's up to the right required amount of water content. So so perfectly the project's working fine. So no panic here. So overview and observe. Mainly here the project in Amazon.com, Amazon.in will state that it is like, in a different way. See, there are some wires which are really clamped together. So we have to do, you think of might of soldering them, but as of now it is of no use. So you can use always the Arduino. If you have the Arduino kit, you can always use the Arduino breadboard in place of the whatever, if you will do, you should not solder because you can't unsolder. So it's very important. Lights should be on in this type of situation. Both lights should be on as far as this perspective. Don't worry, it's not a very big camera, so it's not very big clarity camera, so the things will not sound very, so it won't give good clarity. Webcam I'm holding right now. So this is the motor. Now very powerful, very powerful. Now this, because this is where it is obstructing water flow, but you can actually remove this. So yes, I can hold it by my hand. It depends on what is your use. So you can either use, as I have said, parental support or someone's support. Now you can, well, you can look at overview again. So these are all the components needed. All the components, just jumper wires, and these type of, if you want I can just disconnect it. Yes, the water flow has stopped indeed when we have turned off the power supply. Now the power supply you need to put at 5 volts. Now guys, this is very important. Low voltage can cause a lot of problems. So see, you can't have enough electricity supply, which in case will not really work with the motor, because motor really requires a lot of a power supply. But since these are all mini projects, well, there's no really big deal about it. So yes, you can always on water flow restore. Thank you guys. I hope you have all enjoyed it. Hit the like button, and if you have any improve, if you want, you can add your suggestions below in the comment section.